So if your Shopify store shows shipping not available for your address at checkout, it's not a bug. It means Shopify can't find a valid shipping rate for that order. And here are the real causes. So firstly, your customers, which is the most common reason your customers' country or state is not included in any shipping zone. If a zone doesn't cover that location, Shopify blocks checkout because it has no shipping price. Then, what else do we have? We have another reason, which is product not assigned to a shipping profile. So each product must belong to a shipping profile. If the product isn't included in a profile that has rates, Shopify can't calculate shipping. And even if the zone exists, if you didn't add the flat rate, free shipping, carrier rate, checkout will show it the error. Then, if you created shipping rules like weight-based, price-based, order value minimum, and the order doesn't meet them, Shopify has no valid rate to display. If you use a live carrier rates, Shopify asks the carrier for a price. If the carrier doesn't respond, checkout shows shipping not available. And this error always means one thing: Shopify cannot calculate a shipping rate for that order. Hopefully this helps you out, guys. Also make sure to check this article out where, it's explained how to fix this. And if our video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe.